this, do you know what causes hiccups? Hiccups are caused by the diaphragm involuntarily contracting. Some common causes for this contraction includes drinking carbonated beverages, taking a large meal, swallowing too much air, or even stress. Here are 3 facts that you probably didn't know about hiccups. Number 1. Did you know that the longest case of hiccups had lasted for 68 years? Number 2. Did you know that babies in the womb hiccup too? Number 3. Not only do humans, but most of the mammals hiccup too. The most famous way of getting rid of hiccups is by maintaining uncomfortable body positions while drinking water, such as bending over a sink and turning your head upside down while drinking from the tap. It may distract your brain and get rid of the hiccups. You can try them, but be careful because the water might come out of your nose. Okay. So that's not the end of this video. There are still bloopers for you to watch. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Do you know what's the reason for hiccups to happen? Totally wrong. Do you know what I said was totally wrong? Eating a large meal and do you know what causes hiccups? No, I'm wrong. I'm freaking wrong, dude! I'm freaking wrong! Speaking about this, do you know what causes hiccups? It's not speaking, but it's actually looking! Or even